Hello, this is how I created the low poly stylized fountains in my Pokemon remastering project. The fountain itself is made of three main mesh pieces, this tall donut at the top and these two flattened donuts at the bottom. These are all aligned and their UVs laid out to allow a texture to smoothly scroll in the y-axis. So once it's all together, it should allow for this kind of motion. The vertex colors on the outer and inner edges of the flat donuts are set to pure green. This will be important in the shader later. So we'll swap over to Unreal Engine now. So this is the shader I use for the fountain. It's a pretty basic setup. It mostly uses a panner to control the movement of the texture over the surface of the fountain, and then combines the alpha channel of the texture with the green vertices shown earlier on to control the opacity of the whole mesh. So I can now use these two parameters here to control how fast or how slow or how backwards even I want to move the fountain. So if I will just set this to 0.5, we now have a moving fountain. I can also set a 0.5 in the X and you'll see that it will begin to kind of twist as it goes down. Well, let's speed that up a little bit. And there we go. And that's basically it. Now we have a fountain.